Welcome to the Benteh STEAM Academy, where science, technology, engineering, and math integrate with the arts and indigenous knowledge in the heart of Wasilla, Alaska. The STEAM Academy is headquarters for our innovative movement to bring cutting-edge tech to students and communities across the state, the Alaska STEAM Hub. At the core of ASH is an ambitious mission to give students from every corner of Alaska the opportunity to immerse themselves in advanced technology, igniting their passion for STEAM and empowering them to explore their cultural expression, using contemporary tools to shape a brighter future for themselves and their communities. Through hands-on learning experiences, ASH introduces students to the world of 3D printing, CNC fabrication, and laser engraving. Students learn how to bring their ideas into existence through design and experimentation in a safe and encouraging learning environment. These transformative experiences not only open doors to exciting careers, but also develop critical thinking skills to help prepare them for the challenges of life. ASH aspires to uplift the future generation of Alaskan innovators. It's not just about technology. It's about cultivating a mindset of innovation, persistence, and learning to embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and optimize. ASH offers 3 courses focused on 3D printing, CNC machining, or laser cutting. After completing a course, the class is given their own machine to bring back to their school. Students are encouraged to flex their new skills by teaching their peers and building their own creative collectives at home. The ASH experience extends beyond the lab with virtual classes and online streaming activities to stay connected. Students are invited to our campus for a week of hands-on learning, where they dive into culturally focused STEAM activities. Open study time is also offered to allow students to keep up with their regular school assignments. After instruction ends in the afternoon, students are shuttled back to their lodging to unwind. Evenings are reserved for fun. From water parks, movie theaters, to the Extreme Fun Center, students are encouraged to indulge in the perks of urban life and bond with their peers, building lasting friendships and memories they'll cherish for a lifetime. Transportation, lodging, and stipends for food and fun are all included in the ASH experience. We invite schools and families to join us in shaping a brighter future for Alaska's youth. Together, let's inspire the next generation of STEAM leaders, bringing cultural innovation, technology, and hope to every corner of Alaska.